This outdoor faucet was not working over the winter, and so I already removed the top part, removed the screw in a washer, I meant. Now I'm gonna place this piece of cylinder looking thing inside where I'm gonna put it. Alright, it won't go down, so all you need to do is just adjust the handle a little bit, yeah, and let it slide in, just like that. Now I'm just gonna put the washer and the screw back on this assembly. Alright, so if your outdoor faucet is not working, check for the tension of the top or bottom in the top washer. Both the bottom and top need to have tension in order for the lever to move upward, where it will move the rod that's about 6 feet underneath the ground. And now it's working. Okay, and if it's not working, you can always adjust this up and down, and this up and down as well. Don't want to over tight this part. So you give it, so the pressure here while it's down, when the handle's down, pressure is exerted here, but when the handle's up, pressure is exerted at this point. So these 2 points need to come in perfect contact. And look, there's water. Thank you for watching.